I have known you for 25 years. Up until a few months ago, you never changed. You were always about hustle, loyalty, respect. It wasn't some catchy slogan for merchandise. It was your mantra. Generations and generations of children looked up to you.
Shut your mouth!
Do you want to know the real reason why I don't have kids? Because I've spent the last 25 years raising yours! You're all hypocrites. They will chant in the same breath, "Let's go Cena, Cena sucks." You can put your energy into any superstar you want to cheer for. But if the roles are reversed and I put my energy into anything other than this, I'm an outcast. That is not a functional relationship. That is manipulation.